Leslie here with this week's new releases. So these will be in the shop on January 14th. We do weekly new releases on Fridays. If you're new to the shop, you can also use code THANKYOU15 for 15% off. So let's go ahead and jump right in. This is this week's clip storage. So each page holds 5 clips, and then I can punch it with the Happy Planner punch for you, or you can order unpunched if you have a different kind of planner that you're wanting to punch it in. I just like to put mine on like the spare Happy Planner disc so that I can keep my clips nice and organized and protected a little bit. So you get 5 sheets, so it'll hold 25 clips. So the first one has these cute little picture frames. They're like all empty, but it's like they're all hanging on a wall. There's a little bit of polka dot pattern behind them as well. But I love the little leaves. Each one has like a little unique design, so that's kind of fun. And then there's like the little circle ones. And then the next page, we have these little trees, which I thought was kind of wintry with like the white cloud around each one. So I thought that was kind of cool too. Kind of like maybe an at-home plant kind of thing. And then this one is cute little houses. And you guys know we just moved into our house not that long ago. So I thought an at-home kind of feeling clip storage kit set would be fun. So we have like a little green here that matches this green. And then we have this kind of orange color, this like olive green color, and then this kind of like navy blue color. And this has a white background. It doesn't really have a pattern to it behind it. Neither does this one. It's a solid green. And then this one right here. Oh, I love this one so much. So it has the different shades of blue of these flowers. And then the little dots and like the centers of these flowers are all foiled in gold. Isn't that so pretty? And I love the leaves. So this kind of incorporates the blue right here. So you guys kind of see how I tie in each one. And then this next one is kind of a little bit of a lighter green than this one. And it has lots of flowers and some of those like little twigs and branches kind of elements to it to bring in this little flower one too as well. So I thought this would be fun, kind of like a floral at home clip storage set. And then you guys know I love to have my sticker pockets coordinate with my clip storage. So I did make 2 sticker pockets. One's a mini, one's a regular. So I'm going to show you the regular first. So you guys know I love this one. So it had to go into a pocket. So this one has it on the front. You guys can see that gold. And then it has little butterflies and little like wreaths would have like little kind of like pinky orangey. It's like this color, like a coral, like a orange coral on there, and then tiny pink flowers. And so I wanted to bring in some more of that pink. So I went with this trimmed washi right here. Kind of reminds me of this green a little bit, but it's got those blue flowers on it. So I thought it was kind of perfect. And then the back, bringing in that pink element of the word stay. And then the foil with the word cozy. And then the mug is also foiled. And then there's little pink, like, I don't know, blossoms on that on there as well. And then you have almost like a plant design in the background here. So I thought that would be kind of fun. Kind of like stay cozy, stay at home kind of thing. So I thought that would be kind of fun. So this is the regular sticker pocket. You can order it on a tab or tabless. So when you order on a tab, I put this in between and then I adhere the back as well. So you can just go ahead and snap it into your planner. This size is perfect for holding onto most kit size pages, or if you have functional stickers that are a little bit bigger. This one is close to a 5x7, so in case you're wondering, all the sizes are in the description as well. And then you can order it for a Happy Planner tab or Erin Condren tab or Recollections. So that's kind of fun too. So that one's going to be called Stay Cozy. And then the next one, very similar, like I do. Okay, so I really love the butterflies, so I put them on the front of this one. So I thought that would be fun. And this one has a different floral washi tape here. It has a white background, and then it has 2 different pinks of flowers, then a light blue flower and a yellow flower as well. And then this paper right here matches this one. And then, of course, the back is that beautiful blue with the gold foiled dots on it. So whatever I love the most ends up in a sticker pocket, I feel like. Okay, speaking of love, I know it's not too early for Valentine's Day stuff, right? It's not too early. So I do have a new bookmark coming to the shop, a cardstock bookmark. So this one says all you need is love, which I thought was fun. And then I made the font all and is in black, and then everything else is in red, and I put it on pink. Most of my bookmarks are kind of white with like black on it, so this one's a little bit more unique. And then you can order this one on a tab as well, or not on a tab. I have a few of mine in my books and planners without tabs as well, so it's either one. So there's that one. And then to bring in this blue a little bit, and I always feel like dark blue is a very like wintry color for me. So I saw this dark blue shiny ribbon and I was like, oh, I need this in a bow. So I almost went this dark with my fingernails actually. So that was kind of funny when I saw this. And then I put mine on a regular white clip, but you can order on a regular or a TN, like the really big giant clip. I have those as well. So those are also an option. So this one's really fun and shiny and sparkly and I love it. And it's not glitter, so it's not like gonna like flake off on you. And then I have another bow, a new tied bow, the like little mini bows that I've been doing. So this one, I could not do this one. So it has the black and white checked plaid. So adorable, right? And it's kind of like a linen, like it's braided. And then I seal the end so you don't have to worry about fraying whatsoever. And then the back is covered with a little custom size made dot so that you don't see the glue. And then I put mine on a regular black clip, but you can put these on a regular or a mini. I will try to make the loops and everything a little bit smaller if you order on a mini. So just be aware of that, just to like, so it's not too imbalanced, if that makes sense. All right. And then I said I was going to come back and probably do some Valentine's Day clips. So this week is more like treat yourself Valentine's or be treated. So I have this little box of chocolates. So the bottom is red, like the bottom of the box, and then the lid is pink, and then the little ribbon on it is white. So I thought that would be cute. And then the back is red, in case you guys want to know. I put mine on a regular size clip. So we have light pink and red and white. Some traditional Valentine colors. All right, and then the next up for treating ourselves, I know a lot of people consider going to get themselves a coffee as a treat, so I thought that would be fun to do as well. So this one is that light pink right here, and then the big red heart. I went big on this one because it was my Valentine one. And then I went white for the lid. So these two already match and coordinate together. Coffee and chocolates, right? Coffee and chocolates. Okay, speaking of more chocolate, so I know you guys really liked the duo chocolate kisses that I did for Christmas with the red and green. So I decided to do the chocolate kisses for Valentine's Day with pink and red. Now, I did go with a darker pink on this one just because when I got my Valentine chocolate kisses, I want to say they were a darker pink like this. I don't think I've seen them out yet this season just yet. They are Valentine stuff is definitely hitting the shelves though. So you have the little tag sticking out that's like white glitter, and then you have the red one in the back and the pink one in the front, because I did the red one in the front on the Christmas one, in case you wanted to know. And then I went with a regular pink paper clip, but you can do regular or mini on this one. Either one is fine. All right, and then it wouldn't be treats if I didn't do a Valentine cupcake. So I've done a Valentine cupcake in the past. This one is different. So it has chocolate hearts on it. So I don't know if like it's so glittery. I'm not sure if it's going to pick it up. But you have light pink frosting, because pink frosting, of course. And then you have a red wrapper, and then you have chocolate hearts. So I thought that would be funny as kind of a treat yourself with the chocolate. Okay, so I thought that would be fun. I put this one on a mini pink paper clip just to show you some size differences and some variety that you could possibly do. And then the back is pink on this one. Oh, the back is white on this one. I use that really thick white cardstock to reinforce those little paper thingies, which I always feel like should have fortunes on them. Like, why don't they? I don't know. The back of this one is pink as well, in case you guys want to. I don't know. Sometimes I show you and sometimes I don't. I forget sometimes. So there you go. Oh, wait. I need this week's freebie. Goodness sakes. So this week's freebie actually matches this a little bit. So it's that light pink, and then it's a heart with an arrow through it. So this is this week's freebie. I show it on a mini, but you guys can order on a regular or a mini. You can just put it in note to seller on what size you want, or I just go based off what the majority of your order is. Or sometimes you get a surprise if you order one mini clip and one regular clip and you don't let me know, then I just pick for you. So it will be on a silver paper clip. So there's that. There's the freebie. So that's this week's new releases and freebie. I still have some freebies from Cupcakes and Stickies, the little sampler sticker sheet. So I'll be putting those in orders as well. I think I have one over here. Yeah, looks like this. So you will be getting these until I run out. So there's that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.